Good morning, students. So let's start with the problems of our presentation of data chapter. Let's go on to illustration 1. Prepare a blank table to show the percentage of rural and urban population in India in 1981, 91, 2001 and 2011. So in this problem, they have asked us to prepare a blank table to show the percentage of rural and urban in the following years. So we need to prepare a blank table which will be having columns of years and sub-columns rural and urban. So how do we prepare a blank table? So how many columns will we have? We'll be having rural, urban, years, and there will always be a column of total. So this will be year. This will be percentage of population in rural and urban, and then there will be total. So the first column will be year, and then we will be dividing our next column into two parts. That is, the heading will be percentage of population, that is rural and urban, and last column will be total. So how will we decide what in all columns needs to be put in our table? See, in the problem they have given us show the percentage of rural and urban. So we know there will be a percentage column which will be subdivided into rural and urban, which has been already done. That is this part. Then they have said that population in India in the following years. So they have given us 4 years. So we know there will be a separate column for years. So under years we have 4 years, that is 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011. Clear? This is how you would be preparing a blank table. So is this problem right? No, it is not right. Why is it so? Because I have not written the title for the table, which is very important. So the first step we always need to write is the table number. In this, nothing has been given in the question, so you can just write table number 1, and the title of the table will be percentage distribution of rural and urban population in India. So we will be writing table number, we'll be writing the title of the table, we have our captions and stubs, we have a total column. So clear? This is how we'll be preparing a blank table. Next, let's go on to illustration 2. Point out the mistakes in the following table and rearrange it in the form of a good table. So they have given us literate male, female, and they have asked us to point out the mistakes in this table. So what will be the solution of the problem? So what is the first mistake? There is no table number. There is no title of the table. So write down the first point. There is no table number and no title of the table. What other mistakes are there in this table? There is no head note in the table. What is head note? Say for example, if we have to write a head note is nothing but whether it is in lakhs, it is in crores, it is in thousands, they have not given us. So the next mistake is the table is without any head note. So next is whether the captions or the subheadings being entered properly. No, there should be one column in which there is. So in this, the subheadings and captions have not been entered properly. What were the separate headings we could be having in this question? One, we could have literate and illiterate. Then we'll have male and female. Then we'll be having age. Age is what? Less than 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40 and above. So the captions and sub entries have not been entered properly. So write down the third point. Caption and sub entries have not been properly noted. Full stop. Literacy and age be divided among caption and sub entries respectively. And in this table they have not even mentioned the total of rows and columns. So last mistake is total of the rows and columns have not been indicated. So we have pointed out the mistake. The next step is to rearrange the entire table. So this is how our table will look like. So first we'll be having a title of the table. So it is table number 2. Distribution of population according to age, sex and literacy. So this table will be divided among the population according to, so this table will be divided according to age, sex and literacy. And as it is population, in bracket we'll be writing in lakhs. So this is our head note. This is our table number. This is the title of our table. So what will be the first heading? We have age. In bracket we can write years. Then we be having literate, illiterate. We have male, female, total. Under illiterate also we have male, female and total. So first age will be less than 20 years. Then we have 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and last is 40 and above. And this will be our total column. So this is how our table will look like. And how was the table which was given in the problem? It was very scattered and nobody would understand what is the information which they want to depict in the table. So with this table we pointed out the mistake and we rearranged the table in a correct form. So clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.